Yeah. Start.
Okay. GM folks, this is me Aviral and that's Rudy. And we bring to you better T3. T3, but with added functionalities that we believe really does make the difference. Be it just these micro interactions that you see, be it just the in general UI UX smoothness, or be it the added functionality, especially a surprise for you, a surprise functionality that we'll show in the end. Without further ado, let's see the interface. These are all suggested chats. You can add and chat from here. You can select all these different models. This also tells you the rate. You can upgrade and purchase. I've given myself 1,000 credits. You'll be starting with 20 credits, right? These are sort of the chat examples. Now it does semantic search. It can do basic searches like this. Now it has used, but the main part is this: these terminal boxes that are really missing elsewhere. And it also validates the schema of each box to ensure that it has been in the correct schema of how this is supposed to be, so that it avoids errors that are usually born out of API sending you responses, especially the structured bash script responses, etc. Not just that, we can create images right out of the box using this. So let's go ahead and do that. Rudy, what shall we create?
Penguin writing code in a boat.
Let's do a cat writing uh, code then
Okay.
on a boat.
Okay.
This is the box for me to select, and it just takes 5 credits. Yeah, it will take 5 credits and generate this image. Its quality is HD, style is vivid. You can choose amongst all the options available in term, and this is all model specific. So if you have a model, let's say static diffusion, which has more options, it is bound to give you more options. And
Yeah.
it directly opens up in the chat, as you can see. So that's a cat in high definition. You can obviously chat here like normal as well. That's the application. But the real cool part is, when you have used such an application, you write a lot of chats. But let's say you want to find these chats and you don't remember the exact words. Well, what you have to do is simply press Command key, and we have the smart search functionality. Let's say the chat about black holes. You don't remember you searched about black holes, but you know something related to universe you searched. Something about UNIV universe. Now, once I do this, it knows that yes, something about universe matches 36%. We generated images, right, using cats. Let's say animals, and see if it can. Yes, a penguin was an earlier chat, and you can see it being mentioned here as well because we chatted there. So this is the search functionality. It's very responsive and clean and clear. You got toggles for dark and light mode. Sign in and etc. works like charm. Or usually in future we'll also add Cloudflare workers, right, Rudy, to make it super
Yeah.
blazingly fast. Obviously in the time frame of 7 days we didn't add that, but certainly we'll take this forward. So I hope you guys liked our product, and use B3, the better T3. Thank you.
Thank you.